How to add Linktree to TikTok bio. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step that how you can add Linktree to your TikTok bio. So let's dive in. First, open your Linktree app and then it's going to bring you to this page, and now you can create a new link by clicking add new link. And here you can see I have already created a link, so I'm just going to click this option. And once you do so, you simply have to just copy this link over here by holding it, and once you do so, just click select all and then click copy. And once you copy it, just go back and then open your TikTok app, and on your TikTok app you have to wait for it to open and then click your profile icon. And once you click your profile icon in the bottom right corner, you'll get this edit profile option. Click it. Now make sure you have 1,000 subscribers or followers on TikTok, and once you have those, you'll be able to just paste your Linktree over here. And that's how you do it. I hope you found the process easy and liked my video, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.